Thank you for calling Haven Spa Pool Hearth for your pool repair. Please have your pool full to the appropriate level and running to the best of its abilities before our technician arrives for your repair. A service representative will be contacting you within 1 business day to schedule your service appointment. Please see our service rates below. Please remember, a credit card is required at the time of booking. Please have your credit card available. Locations outside our typical service areas are subject to additional travel costs. Technicians have fully stocked vans that allow for the issue to be resolved during the initial visit. However, some parts are special order and require a return visit for install. Final payment is due upon completion of the service.